it's hot today. The mixtape is straight moving like rocks today.
Okay guys, we're back in Newport too. Another red light. I'm gonna hop back on the freeway real quick. Homie is right on the other side of that light right there. You'll see him right there. There he is. We're rolling together. Let's roll. I'm almost home.
Hey, I know they read my sock to buy a spot and let it ride away. When niggas scared, they must be dreaming, so I'm screaming and I got away. Holding the knot, so nigga not today. If they don't give a fuck about us, it's like Pop would say. I handle bills on my time. My damn trees, man, looking like the hot time. Just on the sidelines, from misconceptions I'm breaking. End up in suspects.
I'm gonna try to beat him.
Check, literally half your chest. The mattresses and body bag, best. Match graphic. That's why accidental slow traffic.
Alright. Back in Newport. So's home. Now we're going to beautiful Newport. Seriously, this guy is like, he's a pretty good helicopter driver. Better than some of the other ones I've seen. Okay, that was fun. I went all the way to LA and I came back. And I'm home now, you guys, back in Newport Beach. There he goes, rolling with me.